We're getting some questions about how to install the magnetic gun mount. There are two different ways to install this. You can install it with the very high bond tape that comes with it, or you can install it with drywall anchors and screws. The tape is going to give you the most flexibility. You're going to be able to install it in a few more different places, but you're going to need a bit of a smooth surface to apply the tape to. The drywall anchor and screws, or just screws, are going to give you the strongest hold. You're probably going into a wall with this. If you can find a stud, or you know you're going into wood, you can use just the screws. If you're using the tape, remove one side of the backing paper first, apply it to the magnet, and let that sit for a few hours or overnight. That's going to start the bond, the adhering process, and make sure it sticks to the back of that magnet as much as it can. And then when you're ready to install, remove the other side of the backing paper, stick it to the wall, and then let that sit there for a few hours or overnight also, and then that's going to give you the maximum hold with the tape. For the drywall anchors, mark on the wall where you want your magnet to go. Use a screwdriver or a pen, and then use a 3/16 inch drill bit to drill your holes for the drywall anchors. Drive the drywall anchors in with a hammer, or I use the back of the little screwdriver we gave with you, and then just sink the screws right in through that into the anchors. Make sure you get the screws deep enough so they sink past the countersink point here. Otherwise, you're going to scratch your firearm on those screws. So between those different ways to install, I think there's a lot of different places you can install this magnet. I think you're really going to like it. Make sure you continue to follow us on social media at Allen Outdoors, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we're going to have some more magnetic gun mount content coming at you.